close my eyes and try to smile. I know things are bad and getting worse, but after all this I can rest a while, and then I'll party, party.